Cilantro, also known as coriander, is an herb commonly used in cooking. It has a light, citrusy flavor and is often used in Mexican and Asian dishes. Cilantro has many health benefits, including its ability to detoxify the body, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Here are some health benefits of cilantro. 1. Detoxification. Cilantro has been used for centuries to help purify the body, as it contains several compounds that can help the body remove heavy metals and other toxins. It is also a good source of antioxidants, which help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Cilantro contains several compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which in turn can help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. 3. Improved digestion. Cilantro contains compounds that can help improve digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive juices. This can help improve nutrient absorption, alleviate gas and bloating, and reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 4. Heart health. Cilantro has been linked to improved heart health, as it can help reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. This can help reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 5. Skin health. Cilantro is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, which can help improve skin health and reduce signs of aging.